So what if you have video to put into your Spartan Newsroom story? Or what if your Spartan Newsroom story is a video? Well, there's a way that you can put videos into your articles pretty easily as you put photos in fact. So the first thing that we want to do is figure out where we want to put a video within this sample story. So I'm just going to put my cursor in here. I'm going to hit the return key to make a blank line, right? We're going to place a video into that spot. Now, videos that go up on our Spartan Newsroom site, we like to have those files because they're quite large, hosted out at video sharing platforms like YouTube or Vimeo. So I'm just going to jump out here to a video that I have on YouTube that I want to put into my Spartan Newsroom post. I'm going to grab the share link to that video, which might be different than the URL that's up at the top of your browser. So make sure you grab the share link for that video. Then I'm going to jump back to my post here in the Spartan Newsroom, and I'm going to paste that URL. And the Spartan Newsroom site is going to automatically embed that video into my story where I want it to appear. So let me just save this, and we'll preview it for you and show you how this looks now as a finished product. So here is the video in our story right where we put it, and we can click it and play it, and ta-da, there we go. So there's one other place, just like with images, that you can put videos. You can make it the featured media on your page, which means it's going to go up at the top of your story in a very prominent location, and it also then will give us a thumbnail image like this focal point story for out on the home page or any landing pages. So let me click through to this focal point story and show you what that featured image spot looks like when it's a video. So here is a Spartan Newsroom post with a video from their most recent show, and it's placed that video
It's anticipated to be the biggest movie
right at the top of the page in a prominent location and full width. So this is a nice prominent way to display your video when your video is your main visual element or maybe really the bulk of your story. You want to use the featured media spot. So let me show you how to do that. So I'm just going to toggle back over here to our sample story. I'm going to go find the featured media module. I'm going to click Set Featured Media. And the featured image window, right? This is our media library that we've seen before when we talked about putting images into a story. But over here on the left-hand menu, you'll notice there are some other options. So we don't have to just put a featured image into this location. We can do a featured video as well. We rarely use I don't recommend using the featured embed code or the featured gallery. Those can be a little bit buggy, but featured video actually works really well. So I'm going to click on featured video. In the video URL space, I'm going to paste that URL, that share URL we had from the video. And you'll notice that immediately the Spartan Newsroom site picked up the embed code for this video. It grabbed a screenshot out of this video. It grabbed the title from YouTube and the credit from the YouTube account that this video belongs to. And if we wanted to, we could type caption information here as well that would appear below the video. So if you need your viewers and readers to get a little bit of context before they take a look at your video as to what it's going to show, you could just type that information into the caption area. So I'm going to go ahead and set this video as my featured media. And again, back over here at our post, featured media doesn't show up at the edit view of our story, but if we click preview and we take a look at what our post looks like once published, there is our featured video in a nice prominent large size right at the top of our story. So those are the two ways that you can easily add video into your Spartan Newsroom work.